Today, we're going to prepare a grilled salmon salad recipe that's good for high blood pressure. Let's enjoy a healthy meal to manage blood pressure and have a tasty dish. First, let's take a look at the ingredients you'll need. You'll need grilled salmon, fresh vegetables, olive oil, lemon, salt, and pepper. Start by seasoning the salmon with salt and pepper. Then, heat a pan with olive oil and grill the salmon until it's cooked through. Make sure to cook it evenly. While the salmon is grilling, let's prepare the fresh vegetables. Chop the lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumbers into bite-sized pieces. Now, let's make the dressing. Combine lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper in a bowl. Mix well until you have a tangy dressing that will complement the salmon and vegetables. Next, add all the ingredients to a bowl. And toss them with the dressing. Place the grilled salmon on top and finish off with a sprinkle of parsley. There you have it, a grilled salmon salad that's good for high blood pressure. Enjoy a simple and healthy meal that you can easily prepare.